Hi guys, one of our tenants have just left recently, and I'm taking another viewing on the vacant room today. I think she left 1 or 2 days ago. She had to leave early because she wanted to move in with her partner. I said, even though her minimum term hasn't actually expired yet, but I said that's absolutely fine. Just pay the rent up to until we can find a suitable replacement, and obviously she'll forfeit her deposit as well. My general policy is that if somebody wants to leave, and as long as they're decent about it, then we'll do our best to accommodate them. I don't want to hold on to tenants who don't want to be here. It's in nobody's favour. Yeah, I've just taken a viewing in her room, and actually the gentleman took it straight away. So the room was let within 3 days. I think she's paid rent for another month at least. So I'll refund whatever rent that she hasn't used. But anyway, so thought I'd take the opportunity to do a quick video to show you what the property is like, and also what we do at checkout as well. Alright, so come in. So this is the property. It's a 4-bed HMO. When I took over, what I did was originally it was 2 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. What I suggested to the landlord is that we make it a 1 ensuite room. So the bathroom upstairs, we just say that's only for one of the tenants. That way we get more value, more rent for that room, and then have tenant share, 3 tenant share, 1 bathroom, which is absolutely fine. Let me show you around. So this is the shared bathroom for the tenants. Great condition. And the reason this property is in such good condition is because we have a cleaner that comes around once every week, which really does make a difference in terms of tenant experience, management, and general maintenance of the property. This is the outside. It just means that if somebody forgets to do something, for whatever reason, then it gets picked up straight away by the cleaner, and then it doesn't allow other people to have the excuse of saying, oh, somebody didn't do it, I'm not going to do it. The matter gets resolved straight away, and things don't spiral out of control. So this is the kitchen. I mean, just walk in, it's exactly like this. That's how clean and tidy it is. Right here. And the other thing is, well, obviously, just make sure you've got a good lettings agent. That way, they will help make sure that you get really good tenants who really look after the place. I mean, look at that. Spotless. Let me just walk you up. So the room is actually upstairs. So I'm generally quiet when I'm at properties because I don't like to disturb the housemate. So this is the room that's just become vacant. What we do, so now the tenants have left. So what I'll do in this situation is anything like that, because we don't provide rooms with duvets and pillows and stuff like that. What I do is I'll gather all that up. Or we'll gather all that up. We found some random clothes and bits and bobs like that. I'll put them aside. We'll contact the outgoing tenant, let them know that those things are there, and if they would like to come pick it up. If not, then we will throw it away. If it costs us money to throw it away, for example, if it's not going to fit in a if it's going to fit in the bin outside, then we'd have to invoice them and charge them for it, which is completely fair. It just means that everybody we get to the end result a lot quicker in the most fair way. So in this property, for example, in this room, sorry, that would be put in a bag. These will be put in a bag. The room will be dressed, and then we'll we'll dress the room and begin marketing it and begin the viewing. These floors, not sure you can see, but they've got a bit. There's quite a bit of stains on them. Now they were reaching that sort of level when we first let the room, whereby there was some stain on it anyway, not enough to change it, but equally enough for one more tenant, one more term, and then we change it. And now we've reached that stage whereby actually it is time to get the carpets clean or get them changed, just so that we can keep the rent high, keep the tenants happy, and provide and offer a really good high quality product. So what I'll do here then is dispose of the stuff that's left behind, and then we'll ask for the carpets to be clean or possibly changed. Just a note, I'm not a fan of these type of carpets. The reason being is that you can see the dirt very easily. If that was a grey carpet, you wouldn't really see it, and that would probably last another few years. Yeah, okay, so hopefully that's been helpful. Yeah, as I said, this room is actually let. I mean, the gentleman really wanted to move in quickly. I gave him the heads up, said it's not really ready, but he was quite eager to come and view it. I prepped him, saw it, more than happy. I told him what we're going to do to the place, basically get the carpets clean, get that changed and everything. He was more than happy, and he took the room. All right, so hopefully hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.